Hello guys, quick video here with this Cupra Born 2022 plate. We are going to be replacing the steering wheel controls. So just want to show you how to remove the airbag and all the other little bits. So we'll get to it. So first thing will be is removing this bottom panel. It's held on by a T20 just in the bottom here. That will then, you'll be able to pull that straight down. This you can pull up, pull out of there, that'll be fine, and that gives you access to this bottom piece here. Now what you want to do after that is you want to rotate the steering wheel so that you've got the two pieces here basically facing downwards, so you're going to get it from the bottom. And all you need to do is, I used a flathead, is basically push these across, and then the airbag will pop out. So you'll have an option. Well, when you get underneath it at the back, you'll see this metal bit. You just want to push it up and then turn the wheel the other way and push that one up, and the airbag pops out. So all it is the airbag is latched underneath these, so you'll have space either side of them to put your screwdriver in order to push the metal pieces that are here out, and then the steering bag will, or the airbag will pop straight out. Then it's just a matter of that one plug there, and then this one into the side of the controls here. That pops out, and that's it. Now to take the steering wheel off, there's another little wire here just on the clip at the bottom that'll pull out, and this here is going to be a M12 spline, and that can just be twizzled out. Now make sure you keep the steering straight, and make sure you mark the center on here. It already looks like it's got a mark on the internal of the center there, so we can use that as a center mark, and we'll go from there. But we're going to pop these out. I've already popped this one out anyway, but we're going to take all this off so we can get to it and see what it shows. So steering wheel's off. So you've got two T20 Torques as well in there, and then this whole panel just clips off, so you can see there's all like little pressure things on here. So the best way of removing that is just wedge a pry tool from this side first, pop it out, and then just work your way around, and everything should pop back out. Now to remove the actual controls from here, so there's two Torques here and two Torques here, so we are going to remove them first, and that should take these buttons straight off. And we've got some brand new replacements here, which we're going to pop on, feed the wires through, and we should be golden. So that's the old ones off, some new ones to go on. So we'll get these fitted, everything in reverse, and we'll show you when it's done.